Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at how to use WhatsApp team inbox within Whautomate platform. In order to access the team inbox, navigate to the team inbox menu option under communications, click on that. The first thing that you will notice is three different tabs. Let's take a minute to understand what these three different tabs mean. Unassigned queue. These are people that want to talk to your business and the chatbot has moved the chat to an unassigned queue. As a customer support agent of a business, when you log into the platform, these are messages that requires your action. And the way you action it is click on the message and either you can type in a reply. The conversation will automatically be assigned to yourself because you're the one replying. Or if you're a supervisor that want to assign conversations to other team members, you can do so by assigning it to a service agent as well. In this instance, I'm gonna type in a message. Once I send the message, the conversation is now moved to open status. These are conversations that are actively being worked upon or responded by customer support agents. If you're an administrator logging into our platform, you will see everybody's conversation. But if you want to filter out conversations that have been assigned to a specific agent, you always have the option to do so. If you're a non-administrator logging into the platform, you'll only be able to see the open conversations that are assigned to you. Of course, if you would like to look at other conversations, you can always remove the filter and look at other conversations as well. You can always search for a contact. Let's say if I want to filter a contact based on their name, I can filter it by typing in their name and it will filter out all the conversations that impact that search criteria. And let's take a minute to understand this section. This is the conversation window. You can select a message and it will display all the messages with the history as such. And here you can see the timestamp with the double tick as well and a blue tick as well. And also the conversation here says Whautomate SG bot. Whautomate SG is my business name, as you can see here. And the bot is the bot that we have installed within our platform. What this denotes is this conversation was sent by the bot at this date and time. And the double tick denotes the message is delivered, just like WhatsApp, and the blue tick defines that the message has been read by the recipient. In this instance, since I type the message, it puts my name. As a business, when you're providing customer support to your customers, you might want to look at who messaged that or look at the history. You always have this name and the timestamp as well. Since this message hasn't been read, it doesn't have a blue tick as well. And you have this window. You can type in as many free text messages as you want until this session expires or this conversation expires from Meta's point of view. When a customer messages your number, you have 24 hours window to respond with a free text message. If that 24-hour window expires, the only option that you will have is sending a template message, just like this recipient. And you can send a template message to initiate a conversation. Once that recipient responds to your template message, then your free text messages will be enabled for the next 24 hours as such. When you are in this option, you also have ability to send images or video or document message as well. If you would like to send a PDF or any other document, you will be able to send just like WhatsApp. And you also have a template message if you would like to send interactive messages to your customer. You have different formatting options available as well. Just like WhatsApp, you can also use emojis and you can select an emoji and send that emoji as well. That will be delivered just like a normal WhatsApp message. And if you'd like to use other formatting options like bold or italic or monochrome, all that options are available for you as well. And once you are done supporting your customer query and you want the chatbot to kick in again, you can always close this conversation. When the customer messages again, it will be responded by a chatbot. By default, all the chats that are being responded by chatbot automatically will be under closed status. That means you as a customer support agent doesn't require any action on those chats as well. Until and unless you see some abnormality and you would like to assign that conversation yourself to support the customer, the conversation can stay on the closed status. The customer always has an option to choose From the chatbot, talk to our staff to transfer the chat to a human agent, and it will automatically go to unassigned queue, or you can set up automation rule to assign the conversation to a default agent as well. Now let's take a minute to understand the right hand section. This gives you a context of whom you're messaging as well. On the right hand side, if you select a contact or conversation, if that contact has a customer record, you will be able to see their information as well. And you can always click on the view details to navigate into their client details and look at more details about the client as well. And here under edit contact, you have several other options, like you can add a note. Let's say you're chatting with a customer and you'd like to add a note for other customer agents to notice as well. You can type in note here. You have contact owner. If you'd like to assign this contact to a owner client record associated with this within your business, you can do so as well. Contact groups are the construct used within the chatbot. For more details about that, look at the automations video on our platform as well. You also have a block contact. Let's say you're receiving spam messages from someone, just like WhatsApp, you'd like to block the contact, you have the option to do so as well. And once you save that, the note will be visible on the right hand side for all of your customers. Let's look at an example where we don't have a client record within our database for this contact, and hence you see that no client records found message here. And the last option you have is new message. Let's say you want to initiate a new message to someone, you can always do so by clicking on the new message. You have three different options. Let's say you want to message an existing client within your account, you can search for that client record and message that particular client, or contact in the instance of the contact that hasn't made a purchase with your business or an appointment to ask your business. They will just stay as a contact. You can search for those contacts and message those contacts as well. In the instance you want to totally message a new person that is not in your database, you can type in their name and phone number with their country code to message as well. You can click on new message to initiate that conversation, and the conversation will be created and moved into the open menu option, open tab, and you can always have the send template message option to initiate the conversation with the customer, and once they reply, you will have the free text form for 24 hours to reply to their messages. Thank you for watching. That's it on the Team Inbox tutorial. Follow our tutorial series to understand different parts of Whautomate platform. If you'd like to sign up for a free trial account, click on the link in the description and sign up for a free trial account.